The next success secret of what I've observed and witnessed from my wealthiest of friends is they bought A1 assets as early as they could in their career and they held on to them. A lot of these people have property in London, New York, Paris, LA, you name it. And they've had these properties for 10, 20 years and they've held on to them. And it's not just properties, I'm talking license plates. I'm talking hotels. And I understand it's gonna take a bit of money to buy these things. So of course you gotta focus on having a good career first, but once you have a good career, buy these A1 assets, which aren't the most exciting investments. You know, you're not gonna make the craziest returns, but you're never gonna lose money. And it's stuff that you can have throughout generations. And I know it's not important right now, but later down the line, and this is one of the next points that I will talk about. So in 20 years, when you wanna buy something, let's say you wanna buy a jet, you're not gonna be spending $20 million on a jet. No, you're gonna put $4 million down and the other $16 million, the bank is gonna give you. And when you have incredible A1 assets in your portfolio, stuff that isn't the highest returns, but there's basically zero risk.